YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Much appreciated. Now we shall see what they sent me for the review. Oh baby. This is coming from my good friends over at Outinput.com. I think that's their name. Outinput. Window cam 2K PC 340. Oh, that's easy peasy. Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5G. That's a good thing. Motion detection, sound detection, night vision. 2K 3MP. You can download on the Play Store or the App Store for an Apple. You got an app there. Sound detected. Basic. Alright, definitely excited to test this out. This is what you get in the box. Window camera, power cable, power adapter, angle mount, magnetic stickers, cable organizer. That's what they're called. Oh. Alright, let's see what this looks like and how does it do. And of course you get some manual. Should be easy enough to install, you don't need it. But just in case, it's always good. We got the holidays fast approaching, so you might want to get extra eyes on your property and your small businesses or wherever you need an extra eye. We got the goodie box here, camera here. Let's see what's inside the goodies. You have your TF card slot. There we go. Get in there. Ooh, that's kind of loud. Alright, so we got some. These are the cable organizers. Boom shakalaka. There we go. Clear the mess up a little bit. So we get one of these things. I don't think I'm going to need them. But, because I'm not sure where I'm going to stick this camera, to be honest. I got so many covers, or so many cameras covering my house. I am pretty good, so. But we'll just do a temporary spot to test out the functions. Come on, baby. There's a garbage file right there. You get the power adapter. Kind of like the smartphones. Right there, USB. Oh, that's a pretty long cable. So you're good to go. You can put it in your garage. Like I said, anywhere you need an extra eye. And here's the... Yeah, see, this is a nice one. I did a similar window cam. But it wasn't that good. This one looks really good. Magnetic halo. I think that's what it's called. Sticky note, sticky. And now the camera. That's a nice one. See what I mean? Speaker. TF slot, reset. Cable goes there. It's pretty basic, guys. Easy. It's really nice though. Look at that. Boom. Alright. So now I'm going to have to download the app. Be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Now we got the app right there. I did start it up. It is ready to go. Once I install the app, I could just find it and then run it. So it's going to take a few seconds. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff before you start up. I didn't need to use this because my power adapter thing has or power surge protector has USB output, so I could use that instead. And I'm probably going to use this one right here. Gonna give it a second, it's almost done. So I'll be up and running today. Give it a quick test, see how it looks. I'm probably gonna put it on this side window right out here. It's a good spot for people walking up or packages. There we go, and I can open. Don't mind my water spot damage on my phone. That's not the app. Okay, agree. Now you gotta sign up, enter your email, all that good stuff. You know how to do it. Right now it's simple, it's easy. Gmail. Okay. It's gonna say, give me a verification code. That's gonna go through my email right now. Hold up. And now we are just about finished. Just loading and making sure everything's safe, which it is. So give me a second. And now on top right corner right there, the plus. Press that. Add device. You can do Bluetooth location check. You know, while using the app and all that, and allow. And there we go. Right there, Windows camera. They got other cameras too. Oh, they got a bird feeder. Those are cool. A bird feeder. There we go. You'll hear a little chime searching for networks. Here we go. Oh, what's my password? So many passwords these days. There we go. Now it's registering the device. I swear AT&T internet's been acting up the last month. There we go. We are connected. Blue light is on. Now hit done. I should get a new phone. Oh, it talks. 5G. I guess we'll test it out. Doing something there next. Doing something. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, cloud. They got different services you could choose from. And it is clear. Upside down. Turn it around. Look how clear that is. So we got some features. Theme color. Dark mode. Oh yeah. So that's good. You could change it to dark mode. Siren. Sound detection. Hello. Hello. Oh. See, in case somebody smashes the window. Bam. Motion. Boom. It'll let you know It's motion detected. WDR. Not sure what that does. Private mode, we don't need to worry about that. But yeah, now it's time to install. Like I said, I'm going to put this thing through the ringer. It should be already snapped in. So let me remove. Like I said, you could get a TF card right there for extra memory to record. Whoa. Get the double-sided. Oh, calm down. Output. Ouch. Let me pause, you guys. Alright, we are back. Look at this. Looky, looky. That's clear. Now my house is fully secured. Can I turn it? We got sound. Whoa. There we go. Look at that. That's perfect. Like I said, if the guy has a shed or something that needs protection, and he's seen all the motion and sound detection it could do. So definitely check them out, guys. The link is going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.